How do I get my or how do I find my 6-digit verification code? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So a 6-digit verification code is usually sent by an application to verify that the new device that you are logging in belongs to you and not others. This is for your own safety and security. So in order to find your 6-digit verification code, make sure you have the device that you sent the code to. It is usually your email or your phone number. Make sure you have access to any of them. After that, if you have sent your code to your phone number, simply go to messages and here you should find the code. If you have sent it to your Gmail, open your Gmail and then sign in to the account where you sent the code, and then you will be receiving an email of your 6-digit verification code. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.